Oh, you love to talk. It's easy. It's second nature for you.
You asked me a good question.
Well, yeah, he asked you a short question. I grew up with this. I had a little bit more direction, I think, when I went to law school than my dad did. I knew exactly what I wanted to do and then was able to come on board with him after spending some time as a public defender.
He used to say he didn't want to be a lawyer because he saw what we did, and he said, all you guys do is fight all the time. I said, life is a fight. All those people out there that are trying to get along and get their lives put back to order are having to fight, and all we're doing is we're helping them win that fight. That was many, many years ago.
I was going to say, that was a long time ago that I said that. There was a period of time when I was in college, and I thought I could actually make some money with music. I was wrong.
To be a rock star, you have to have something that's marketable, that the public wants to see and they want to pay money for.
I'm not that bad, though. I'm really not. I mean, I'm bad.
Oh,
but
he's actually quite good. It's a family business, and my wife, Karen, is our business manager, and she's in charge of our community outreach.
There's a giant misconception about what we do and how we're able to help people.
Big corporations, insurance companies have money, continue to foster the lie, the image that trial lawyers are bloodsuckers, when the absolute reverse is the case.
Trying to convince people that trying to get a lawyer on your side is a bad thing.
When we get accident victims in, we see the other side of this. We see the torment that the family goes through, people who've been in the prime time of their lives and can't work anymore.
The insurance companies, they love taking in those premiums, but they're business people, and they would love, though, to avoid even having to pay out a dime on the recovery.
Grown men cry in the office saying, what am I going to do for my family? These are people who would never be able, many of them, to afford a lawyer.
Or street fighters. We get in the middle of the mix. We help people who have no other recourse, no other access to the civil justice system. It takes too much money to hire an attorney up front to be able to go and fight for you.
What other lawyer out there is willing to put their name on the line without saying, I want 10 grand up front? You called me on the phone last night, so that's going to be $100. We don't do that.
We say, come on in. You've got questions. Your life's been changed.
We say, okay, we'll jump into the problem with you. If we don't win, then you owe us nothing.
Sometimes they'll even say, I'm not the suing type. I don't know what to do. I'm a little nervous. I've never done this before.
We are going to help our clients hold those people accountable, get some compensation, try to help alleviate some of the pain and the suffering and the disruption in their lives that they have. We will never be able to put a person's life back in order, but we can certainly put it back to a place that's more palatable than it would have been if we didn't help them out to begin with.
We're able to bring different skill sets, different ideas, different talents and abilities, and bring them to bear to give what I think is some of the best representation in the state of Colorado for our clients.